2 years ago this month, 21-year-old Jonathan Rodriguez, a student at the Evergreen State College, died on campus of carbon monoxide poisoning. He was asleep in a modular housing unit, a dorm there, and investigators said that it was faulty equipment that had been leaking carbon monoxide. It was a recently installed tankless water heater. Well, two men, the contractors who installed that water heater, Frank and his son Brett McCutcheon, were charged with manslaughter. Today here at Thurston County Courthouse, the McCutcheons entered into what's called a diversion contract, where if they stay out of trouble and do community service and don't install any devices that produce carbon monoxide over the next 3 years, they will avoid jail time. But the judge told them if they violate that agreement in any way, they could spend more than 2 years in prison. The Rodriguez family apparently is in general agreement with this contract. They just hope what happened at the Evergreen State College a couple of years ago never happens again, and they think this case has raised a lot of awareness.